Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we will take a closer look at the property classes under GDS that are most commonly used in residential rental activities. Using MACRS, most commonly depreciated property falls into 4 of the categories mentioned in the previous lesson. 5-year property includes peripheral equipment used in placing and keeping residential rental property in service. This property includes appliances, carpeting, furniture, and other items used in residential rental activity. Machinery and office equipment such as computers, copiers, and calculators, automobiles, and light trucks. There are some limitations on depreciation of 5-year property, which are discussed further in IRS Publication 946, How to Depreciate Property. 7-year property includes office furniture and equipment, such as desks, filing cabinets, chairs, shelving, and so forth. This class is also used to classify any depreciable property that does not fall into any other class life and has not been designated by law as fitting into another class. 15-year property includes roads, fences, and shrubbery if they are depreciable. Finally, let's take a look at the residential rental property class. This includes any real property that is a rental structure, building, or mobile home for which 80% or more of the gross rental income for the year is from dwelling units. This class specifically does not include residential rental units found in hotels, motels, inns, or other establishments that rent on a more transient basis.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.